Welcome to Wink Vision. Meet our CEO, Dr. Sandra Bernardo. At Wink Vision, we are committed to give you the best vision possible. We are located in Cavite. We offer comprehensive eye exam and committed to give you vision care excellence. We specialize in vision therapy that manages cross eyes, squint, and lazy eyes. Here's some of vision therapy patients. We have our corporate eye care program to take care of the vision needs of employees right at the convenience of your workplace. Here are some of our corporate partnership who have entrusted our services. Our products and services will always be within your budget, but the quality will not be compromised. We have as low as 1,000 pesos for single vision lenses with UV protection. Our friendly staff and optometrist will provide you the best solution for your vision needs. These are some of the corporate activities we perform during our corporate visit. Dr. Sandra is a college educator and involves several speaking engagement in vision conferences. Wink Vision is humbled to be trusted by our patients. Please watch their testimonies.
Service at check-up na di kami namadali. Tara! Dito merong graded, colored at contact lens for astigmatism. Wide variety din yung frame selection nila and very aesthetic and maaliwalas yung vibes. Kumpleto rin dito yung mga equipments na kakailanganin for your eye exam, kaya siguradong ma-assess maigi yung condition mo. At isa pa sa kinaganda ng facility nila, meron silang iba't ibang instrument for vision therapy. So kung meron kang lazy eye, banlag, squint, meron silang vision training and rehabilitation na pwedeng makatulong sa condition mo. Siyempre, welcome na welcome din dito ang mga cute na chikiting. Very interactive din yung mga test, depende sa need ng patient. Habang bata pa, maganda na monitor ng development ng vision nila para maagapan kung may problema at mabigyan ng proper management plan. Bukod sa ganda ng clinic, may re-recommend ko rin si Dr. Sandra na mag-handle sa inyo. Nakapag-training siya sa ibang bansa, kaya siguradong quality yung service na mapaprovide niya. Kaya ito na ang sign para magpabook kayo ng appointment at magpa-check up ng mga mata. Bye!
Shoutout po sa Wink Vision sa Cavite, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Ito po yung suot ko ngayon. Galing po yan sa Wink Vision kay Doktora. Gawan niya po yan. Ito po yung kanyang lalagyan. Napakaganda po ng quality. Ayan o. Sukat na sukat po sa akin. And ang dami po nila dong mga test para po talaga accurate yung inyong vision. And para po makorek yung mga eye strain nyo. Yung mga problema nyo sa mata. Punta po kayo sa Wink Vision. Yan po. Sa Cavite po yan. Malapit lang po yan, accessible po yan sa Aguinaldo Highway.
Hi! Sa mapagpalayang araw po sa inyo lahat. Kayo ba ay nagtataka ba at malinaw sa amin ang mga violations ng pasaway sa EDSA? That is because of the eyewear I used. So this is provided for and made by Wink Vision, by Dr. Sandra and the rest of her team, who apparently is celebrating their 3rd year anniversary. So Dr. Sandra, on behalf of my wife Yvette, we would like to thank you for looking after our eyesight, and we wish you all the best and more power to your Wink Vision. So, to the rest of the team, mabuhay kayong lahat. More power, Dr. Sandra. Maraming salamat.
Wink is built on excellent service and giving back. You are a blessing. A portion of every purchase contribute to our missions and makes a meaningful impact. Wink Vision is as dedicated to maintaining our commitment to exceptional service and giving back by generously providing for those in need in remote areas. Dr. Sandra continued to participate in several missions across all regions in our country. At Wink Vision, we provide not just an ordinary eye exam, but detailed and personalized. Come and visit our clinic. And follow our social media ID on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Discover and experience Wink Vision Care today.